Creating Bible prayer videos has never been easier. With this particular method, you can create a full video in few minutes. You don't need any camera, you don't need a special editing skill, you don't need a studio to do this. Just with your smartphone and a simple script, you get a full video for your Bible prayer channel. On this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use a simple test to generate a full video, a full Bible prayer. Coming across my channel for the first time, this is Coach Stretch, and on this channel I teach how to create AI videos, most especially Bible prayer videos. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Now, without wasting time, let's go straight into this video. Let me show you how you can create, using free AI tools, how you can create a test to a full video. Now let's get straight into this. Now you are going to come to ChatGPT. I normally use ChatGPT for my scripting and all that. Now what I'm going to do is to drop this prompt for ChatGPT. Now if you are a beginner, this is the step that you are going to be taking. So if you are not a beginner, you might not need this first one. So it's just like I'm starting a new channel. So I dropped this prompt for ChatGPT. I said, create 30 days title ideas for my morning prayer channel. So like I said, there's one of my videos that I said, if you are going into Bible prayer videos, or you want to start creating Bible prayer videos, you need to pick a niche. And I did it. I explained a lot of niche. That video is in my channel. So this is the morning prayer niche. Now this is the title that ChatGPT wrote for us. So I'm just going to copy the day one. So this is the day one. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it, and I will say, before I paste it, I will say, write a long script, a long prayer script for this. Write a long prayer script for this. So I'm going to paste the title. So this is the title. I'm just going to paste it. So we need to get our script before we get to that point of getting our prompt for generating the video. So without the script, there's no way we are going to be able to generate the video. So I'm just going to copy this. So this is it. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to head over to the tool I'm going to be using to generate my text to audio. So now, if you don't know how to write a proper script, or you are new into YouTube automation, I did a blueprint. I have created a blueprint on how to go into YouTube automation. The blueprint is called the YouTube automation blueprint. You can check the description. The link is in the description. Now I'm going to head over to the tool that I'm going to go to my browser and search for Gen AI Pro. So this is the tool that I'm going to be using. I'm going to come to Gen AI Pro. So once I get to Gen AI Pro, I'm going to look for the voice that I want to use. So I'm going to search for the one that I love to use. So this is the one that I love to use. I'm going to search for it and I'm going to click on use. So I'm going to reduce the speed to 0.95. 0.95. Then I'm going to come here. I'm going to delete this one. This is the former script that I wrote before. So I'm going to delete this particular one here. So once I'm done deleting it, I'm going to paste the new one. So let's delete it now. Let me paste the new one. This is the new one. Then I'm going to do some editing. Any editing that needs to be done here, I'm going to do the editing. So let me come to the up. Those things that I don't need, that ChatGPT add to it, I'll just delete them. I don't need them. So the voice doesn't need to start reading out those other unnecessary things. So once I'm done editing it, I'll just click on generate speech. So I'm going to wait for a few seconds. You can see that it's showing processing started. So once you get to this down part, you notice that it has generated the audio. Now once it is done, you just need to click on download. So now, if you want to use this particular tool, I might drop the link in my description. You can just check it out. So once you log in, they are going to give you free 10,000 credits for use to generate your speech. You can check out the description. Now let's head over to ChatGPT. Now once I get to ChatGPT, all I'm just going to do is to tell ChatGPT to generate 10 image prompts. Like I always say, depending on the length of the video, Like depending on the length of your audio will determine how many image prompts you are going to be needing. So we are going to be needing this prompt, but we are not going to be using it to generate images. So we are just going to be needing the prompt. Now what we are going to do is to go over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate 10 nature image prompts, 10 nature image prompts for this. So we are just going to send this and we are going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the image prompt for us. So this is the image prompt that ChatGPT has generated for us. Now what we are going to do is to head over to the tool that we are going to be using to get our video, which is the text to video. So I'll just copy this first one. So this is the first one. Then I'll head over to my browser. I'm going to search for dollar.com. So this is dollar.com. It's also called Dola AI, your everyday AI assistant. So I'm going to click on it. So now once I click on it, if you have not signed up, they are going to ask you to sign up with your email account. So you're going to need to sign up with your email account, or you sign up with your Facebook or any other app they're asking you to sign up with. But I'm signing up with my Google account. So I already have my Google account here. So that's why it's not stressful for me. So now what I'm going to do next is, this is the interface that you are going to be seeing. So they have a lot of features here. You can decide to click on this plus button if you have a picture already, but we are not using pictures. We want our videos to be very fast. In few minutes we are done. So we are going to be needing the more. So we are going to be needing this more, like the more buttons what we are going to be using instead of clicking on the plus button. So but before that, you can see this fast. So you can see fast and you can see the pro. The pro is the advanced pro mode, but we are not going to be using that because we are going to be using the free version. Now we are going to be needing the fast. Now the next thing we are going to be clicking is the more. So this is the more. You can see create video, create image, writing, translate, homework. All we just need to click on is the create video. So you click on create video and it's going to bring out this interface. Now they are asking you to describe your video. They are asking you to describe your video. Now you can see once you click on this three button beside Click on this three button beside the create video at the down part. So you click on this three dots button here. Now you see reference image. That's if you, like I said, if you want to add any image to it, then you see 10 seconds. You can see that it's even giving us 10 seconds. We have 5 seconds. We have 10 seconds. Imagine for a free tool like this, and we have the ratio. So we are going to click on ratio. We have the 1:1. We have the 3.4. We have 4.3, we have 9:16, we have 16:9, we have 21:9, depending on what you are using it for. If it is long form YouTube video or short or Facebook or TikTok, if you are using it for TikTok, Facebook or YouTube short, you can use the 9:16. But for me, I'm using it for YouTube long form video, so I'm going to be clicking on the 16:9. So I've clicked on the 16:9. You can see it's already on 16:9. If you don't click on that place, it's going to, if you don't select that aspect ratio, it's going to give you 9:16. So now what you are going to do is to paste your prompt. So this is our prompt. You are going to paste your prompt. So you can see this is our prompt. Now once we are done pasting the prompt, we are going to click on send. So let's wait for it. So it's going to take just few seconds to generate. See what it's saying. The video will be generated using the Dreaminal Dance 2.0 model. Now it will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. Then it said I will send it to you when it's done. So we are going to wait for a few minutes. It doesn't take much time. At least 1 minute of video is done generating. Now with one particular email, you can generate, just like I said, this particular tool is unlimited. Why I said is unlimited is you can generate free videos, 2 free videos every single day with one email. You can decide to switch email if you have a lot of emails like me. Maybe you have about 10 videos, or like I gave to ChatGPT ChatGPT generated about 10 prompt for me. So if you are doing that kind of thing also, all you need to do is to use different emails for the day. Now, tomorrow or the next day, you can come back and generate more. So you can see you still have 0 points left today. They are saying today. That means tomorrow you can come back and continue with free credits. You don't need to pay for it. Like I said, if you have other emails, you can continue with other emails. Now we are going to wait and let it generate our video for us in few minutes, in few seconds, not minutes. It doesn't take up to 1 minute. So let's wait for it. Now, after a few seconds, you can see that the video is ready. So this is the video here. So this is it. Let's wait for it to load. You can see how it is. So let's just download the video. So let's download the video. So I'm going to show you how you can load this letternote. Usually letternote is very easy. So just click on this download. Let's download it. Click on save. Save to file. To CapCut, all you just need to do is to remove the watermark. You're just going to click on the video and you are going to zoom it a little. So you just zoom it a little just to remove it. So when you play it, you can see that it's no longer showing. Now what you are going to do is to add in your audio to it. So let me look for my audio. I'm just going to select my audio that I just downloaded. So this is the audio. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add in my auto caption. So once I add in my auto caption, my video is ready. Then I'm just going to click on export. Then I just finish. Now you can see that it's just 10 seconds. So you are going to do the same for the other prompt, but it is 10 seconds. I think about 5 pictures will be okay, because all you need to do is to click on the video like this, click on it and go to speed. So you are going to reduce speed. So once you reduce speed from 10 seconds, you will see that, let's see how many seconds it is now. So let's see how many seconds. You will see that it's now 51 seconds. That's going to almost 1 minute from 10 seconds. And you
of the enemy against your life.
Okay. Now you add in your auto caption and your video is ready. Like I said, if you get about 5 of the videos is okay. So you need to be changing your emails because they only give you access to create just 2 videos per email. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next one.